Under the law, minor children do not have the capacity to enter into a contract. And as it relates to a personal injury case, minors under the age of 18 cannot sign a release saying they agree to a settlement. So, what the law has provided is a system to protect your children and make sure that any settlement is in the child's best interest. So, what does the law provide? Well, if there's a settlement, typically above $5,000, that involves a minor child, this is just typically, the court wants to appoint another lawyer that's licensed in the state where the incident happened to look at the facts of the case, speak to the parents, and make sure that the settlement is in the child's best interest. And so the court appoints a neutral, independent lawyer. And in fact, many courts hire me and my other lawyers to do this, and I'm honored to do it. So when I get a case, when I get appointed, and it's called Guardian Ad Litem. So the court appoints me, not in this case, but on many cases, to be a guardian ad litem. And so what they'll do in this specific case, they'll get all the documents, they'll get all the evidence. They may speak to you, the parents, and make sure that you understand that this settlement is final, that you're not going to get a chance to go to trial, and that it's in the child's best interest. And so what will happen is we are going to schedule a hearing with the court where the judge approves and grants an order saying it's in the child's best interest. Now, this is really important. The settlement is not for you. The settlement is for your minor child, okay? And that's really important. Whenever the minor child turns 18, the minor child will be entitled to that money. Now, there's two really important ways that the money can get distributed, okay? If it's a smaller settlement, what I typically recommend when the court appoints me as a guardian ad litem is to put the money in the court registry. It's just a simple way to do it. There's some interest on it, but it's not the best. And then the other option is on bigger settlements. I recommend this for bigger settlements. We hire a financial company to come in and try to maximize that settlement so that when the kid turns 18, they get some money. When they turn 25, they get more money. When they turn 30, they get more money. And so this is the best way. This is actually in the child's best interest because they're making the most money. And you can think about it, when they're 18, they may not be ready to handle that much money yet. So this protects the child. This protects you. This protects everybody. And this is something that the lawyers will be speaking with you whenever the chance comes.